I'm out in my garden. It's time to do some fall garden planting. I'll say that right. Fall garden planting. Things that will germinate now that it's warm, but will thrive when it starts getting cooler. So let's get busy. These are the beds where the garlics were. And what I'm going to do first is just kind of scrape up all the mulchy type stuff. A lot of that will go back down on it after I get things planted. But for now, it's all going to go right over here in this little pile. Then the next thing I did was put a little bit of, it's kind of compost mixed with some potting soil. Kind of refresh the tops here. That noise is the garbage truck. Garbage truck. All right, there were a few random onions like in various places in this one bed, and they're just itsy bitsy, like they've not really done anything all summer. So I moved them all over here to a nice little row on the edge. Okay, these are just old containers that I saved. This will just discourage birds or whatever. I need to get some those metal things to clamp them down. But in here I planted Dutch flat cabbage, some leeks, some mustard, and some peas. Peas right up next to the trellis. And over here, I made some rows, but I haven't put in seeds yet. I'm going to put cauliflower and cabbage and probably onions from seed. Not onion sets, just onions from seed. And maybe some nasturtiums, that would be good too. So that's my plan for here. And then I think I'll go get a floating row cover to put over, maybe over both of them, to keep animals out until this germinates, maybe even afterwards. Okay, that back row I just put in snowball cauliflower and early golden acre cabbage. Oh, and over here on this other side, when I was listing what I planted, I also planted in some celery. And I planted some Alaska mix nasturtiums. Now, the nasturtium seeds are big like pea seeds. But the rest of the seeds I've been planting are itsy bitsy. So I just kind of lay them on the ground and then just kind of fluff the dirt around. But these will need to be covered up a little better. Okay, and I planted some onion seeds from seeds that I saved from last year. So I've got cauliflower, onion, cabbage, nasturtium. I'm not sure if I'm going to put more in there or not. I think that might do it. I have here some flower seeds, sunflower. I don't think sunflowers would do real well right here because it gets shade part of the day. It's not the hardest, not the hot part of the garden. Sunflowers need some sun. So I think maybe that's all I'll do to these two sections, except for I'll come back later off camera and make sure that I've got the area covered up so that the squirrels and birds can't decimate what I just did. So I think that will be all I will show you for today, getting my fall seeds planted. We'll see how they do. They will get watered here and they will get shade and sun. And I can pretty much just let them do their own thing here. So wish me luck. Wish the little seeds luck. Maybe luck isn't what they need. They need prayers. Dear Jesus, bless my little garden. So that's all I'm going to talk about on my little video today. I talked a bit with the camera not rolling until I realized the camera wasn't rolling. I hate when I do that. But I hope what I did today was kind of teach you a little bit about how to plant a fall garden. Things that will thrive when the weather starts cooling down and will stay until and sometimes even after that first frost that we get. Ours will come probably sometime in September, so it's not that far away. And to all of my Shed Wars companions, I hope your gardens are growing. And to my team, will it grow? Yes, I have no doubt it will grow. So until I see you on my next video, may the good Lord richly bless you. Darlene, out.